A woman walked into my courtroom on a Wednesday to contest 4 speeding tickets. She'd been clocked sitting in her living room. I was the magistrate. This is the hearing. She told me she wasn't moving. I showed her the radar logs. Ticket number 1. Violation. 1,037 miles per hour in a posted 25.
That's how fast they was going?
That's how fast Earth's equator moves as the planet rotates. At that speed, you'd cross the country, San Francisco to Washington, D.C. in about 2.5 hours. The defendant lived in Ohio. The equator moves fastest because it's the widest part of the circle. At the poles, you'd barely be spinning at all, just rotating in place once every 24 hours. In Ohio, she was doing about 790 miles per hour. I cited her for the equator because that's where the radar was calibrated. She asked why she couldn't feel it. Smooth motion. The air moves with you. The ground moves with you. Your coffee moves with you. There's no wind in your face, because the wind is also doing 1,037 miles per hour. It's like sitting on a train. You only feel the bumps, not the speed.
So that's the fastest I'm going?
Ticket number 2. Violation, 66,600 miles per hour. That's Earth's orbital speed around the sun. Every year you travel 600 million miles in a rough circle around the sun. You complete the lap every 365 days. That averages out to 66,600 miles per hour, which is how I clocked her. She asked if that was the final number. I told her we were just getting started.
That can't be right.
Ticket number 3. Violation, 483,000 miles per hour. That's the sun's speed as it orbits the center of the Milky Way. You're on Earth. Earth orbits the sun. The sun orbits the galaxy. You were cited for all 3 simultaneously. One full orbit, what we call a galactic year, takes 225 million years. Since Earth formed, you've been around about 20 times. The last time we were in this exact spot in the galaxy, the first dinosaurs were just showing up.
Okay, but relative to what? Where's all this actually going?
The final ticket. Violation, 828,000 miles per hour. That's your speed relative to the cosmic microwave background. She asked what the cosmic microwave background was. I told her, the universe's oldest light. The afterglow of the Big Bang, visible in every direction, cooled to microwave frequencies after 13.8 billion years. Also our speed camera. It's the closest thing we have to a universal reference frame. Measure your speed against it, and you get 828,000 miles per hour headed toward the constellation Leo.
That's the galaxy moving, isn't it? Not me.
I told her the Milky Way itself moves at 1.4 million miles per hour relative to the CMB, but she's inside the galaxy, moving with the sun, moving with Earth, all the motions combined. Her personal total, 828,000. I read her the measurement twice. She asked how we measure that. The same effect you hear when an ambulance passes. The siren sounds higher pitched, coming toward you, lower pitched moving away, because the sound waves get compressed or stretched by the motion. Light does the same thing. The background glows slightly hotter in the direction we're moving, and we read our speed off the difference. She said that didn't sound like much. I agreed. It isn't, but it's still 828,000 miles per hour.
Do I get points on my license?
She asked again why she couldn't feel any of it. You don't feel speed, you feel acceleration, changes in speed. Earth's rotation is constant, its orbit is constant, the sun's galactic orbit is constant, our motion through the CMB is constant, and constant speed is legally indistinguishable from sitting still. Gravity holds you to the surface. No bumps, no turns, no braking. Just smooth, relentless forward motion at 828,000 miles per hour. You've been doing it your entire life. You'll do it until you die, and you will never feel it once.
Makes sense.
She asked if she could contest the tickets. I told her she could try. The problem is that motion is relative. From her chair's perspective, she wasn't moving at all. From the CMB's perspective, she was doing 828,000. Both are correct. Einstein called this the principle of relativity. I call it a jurisdictional nightmare. There's one frame where you're always at rest, your own. Physicists call it your rest frame. In that frame, you're not moving. Everything else is. The ground is rotating under you at 1,037 miles per hour. The sun is orbiting you at 66,600. The CMB is rushing past at 828,000. Perfectly valid, completely useless for traffic court.
So all the tickets are dismissed?
I stamped all 4 tickets upheld. She asked on what grounds. I told her, you can't dismiss a ticket just because the universe has no absolute reference frame. The speed limits still apply in every frame you violated them. She asked how much the fines were. The court doesn't issue fines for cosmic motion. We just wanted her to know. She asked if that was it then. I told her no, she still had the parking violation on Thursday. Different docket.
See you Thursday.
She left. I filed the paperwork, court adjourned. Next case, a man disputing the late fees on a rental sedan. Subscribe if you like. You won't feel it, you never do.